Arielle, and I'm a volunteer with ArtSphere Inc. I'm here live tonight with ArtSphere Inc. to make Popsicle puppets with you. These Popsicle puppets are really fun to make, and they're pretty easy as well to make. So what you'll need for this project is a pair of scissors, one popsicle stick for each popsicle puppet you would like to make, and 2 pipe cleaners for each puppet. For the head of your puppet, you can use cut out images from a magazine or a book, but probably ask your parents first for that. What I did was cut out heads from coloring books after coloring them in, and feel free to also just use, make your own head. That totally works too. Whatever works best for you. So to begin, we're first going to grab 2 pipe cleaners, and we're going to want to make sure they're pretty even. As you can see, mine aren't completely even, but that's okay just as long as they're pretty even. So you're going to take the pipe cleaners and pinch around the top and then twist them slowly. And then it should start to look like this as you continue doing it. Keep doing it until the end of the pipe cleaner. So next, it's going to look like this. And next thing you're going to do is fold it in half. And you're going to pinch it in the middle and twist the looped end, not the open end. This is what it will look like when it is twisted in the middle. You want to spread open the ends a little bit. And next thing you're going to do is push the top of the loop down into the twisted part. This is what the final body of the puppet will look like, and at this step, this is what it should look like. So what you're going to do now is glue this to your popsicle stick. So you're going to take your popsicle stick, and you're going to put glue right here on the top, and then glue it right onto the end. And then you're going to set that aside to dry. So now we're at what I believe to be the most fun part of the whole thing, which is making the head. Again, you can cut out pieces from a magazine. I personally used a coloring book. I colored in the heads and then cut them out and then glued them to my popsicle stick. You're welcome to use your own or a book, I suppose, but again, probably ask your parents first for that then. So once you do that, it's time to glue on the head onto the body. So what you're gonna do is just glue it on right there, and eureka, you're done. So I made 3 popsicle puppets. These are the 3 that I made. And it was really fun, but the fun doesn't have to end. A fun thing you can do with these popsicle puppets is create a play with them. You can even do it with a friend. Hello.
Oh, hello, how are you?
Oh, good, thanks. Great weather. Hello.
Oh, it's very warm outside, isn't it?
Yes, very much weather.
Oh, okay, well, have a good day then. Take care.
Bye.
Bye, bye. Oh.
Great play, I know. Won the Tony. But thank you so much for tuning in tonight. I had an absolute blast making popsicle puppets, and it really is pretty simple to do, so I would definitely suggest doing it at home, and it's also really fun to play with. So again, you can, after you're done, you can use them to make a play or any fun activity you like. So I'd love to see pictures or videos of your own popsicle puppets, and if you do end up doing a fun activity with them, I would love to see that too. So you can post your finished work and share it with me on Instagram or Facebook using the hashtag #LoveArtSphereInc. And make sure to check out ArtSphere's website for some more great classes and handouts. And yeah, have a great night. Good night.